Welcome to Easy Meals with Chris. Today I am cooking deviled eggs. Pause the video to get a good look at the ingredients. This is one of my favorite appetizers, and once I learn how to properly peel the eggs, I make this quite often just to have in the refrigerator for a quick snack. I start by cooking both the eggs and some bacon at the same time. Use warm tap water to place 6 eggs in the bottom of the pan so they are almost completely covered. When the water comes to a boil, cook the eggs for about 11 minutes to make sure the yolks are cooked, but the whites are not overcooked and rubbery. Cook the bacon so it is firm so it doesn't get soggy when mixed into the yolk mixture. While the eggs are still cooking, you can chop up half a stalk of celery and about 1/8 of onion or a 1/4 cup. You want to chop these up as fine as you can so they're not overwhelming the texture but still get a little bit of bite when you chew into it. I will also chop up the 2½ strips of the bacon and use the remaining pieces to chop large pieces and use it as a garnish. The eggs should be done by now. Empty the water from the pan and transfer the eggs to an ice bath. Get a bit of ice water on your hands, or you can use tongs to not burn your fingers. Peel the eggs while they're still warm, and they should all peel easily without harming the eggs. I crush them on the counter quickly to loosen up the shell, and when you peel, try to peel both the shell and the membrane underneath. Keeping the egg in the water will help the water get in between the membrane so the shell will come off easily. Use a sharp knife to cut the eggs so they don't squish or damage the eggs. Once halved, you can remove the yolks from the eggs into a bowl. If you want traditional deviled eggs, you can just use mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper, but I like to get creative. Mix in about half of the mayonnaise to mix with the yolks to get them smooth. Then you can mix in the remaining mayonnaise and all the other ingredients and stir thoroughly. Once finished, you can add the yolk mixture back to the eggs. Garnish with the larger chunks of bacon. You can refrigerate them for a little bit to firm up, or you can enjoy them right away. Thanks for watching and have a great meal.